This place is so freaking creepy. I'm freaking nervous, dude. I'm so scared. Dude, that was a... Oh, I mean? Nice little small mound. Tighten the drag a little bit. Oh my god.
Right there in top of the mouth.
Oh, yep. Oh my god. Dude, that's a monster.
That is a monster.
Look at this.
That was a nice walk. Holy fuck. That's a monster. Byron's Baits wants us picture taken.
Byron's Baits. Nice walleye. We're back. ByronsBaits.com. Pick them up today. Okay, it's all cleaned out. Besides some grass shavings, we're gonna be sleeping next to like some pretty scary people tonight. So, how we're gonna be doing that is we're staying outside of a prison. Yeah. But the main goal for this is roll in late, roll out early. We gotta run to the gas station, and then we're gonna get on the road. So. But before we go to the gas station, little update. Don't gotta use makeshifts anymore. Thank you, Grandma. All right, let's go. Well, we're now on the road. Fact about this prison is about 2 years ago, 2 inmates killed an officer and a nurse with I'm pretty sure with a hammer. They hit him in the head. I don't know if those guys are still there, but dude, that is just damn. Man, I'm freaking getting tired. Oh my gosh. This place is freaking creepy. I'm just gonna come back to this, and we're gonna go try and fish for a little bit. So we have established 2 things so far. 1, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna camp at this prison, but I'm gonna do it. And 2, fishing spot is junk right now, so I think I'm just gonna wait around for a little bit, wait till it gets like really dark, and then sneak in, park, go in the bed, and then sneak out. So that's the plan as of right now. Okay, fun facts about the prison we're staying at. There is approximately 950 defenders in the prison as of right now. It is a maximum/medium security institute. It was founded in 1838. That thing looks so old too. The first cell house began on May 8th, 1878, and completed in January of 1875. There's not much there's not much facts on this place. I don't know if they have death row or not. I'll tell you what's really a fact though. I am nervous. This is probably the most nervous I've ever been filming a video. There's a DNR officer right there. I'm getting out of here. Oh, shit. This is a bad time to be needing to go to the freaking bathroom. They were like right there, talking, and I'm freaking, I'm freaking right here, just like, dude. There is no sign saying like if I can or cannot be here, but I'm gonna make my way to the prison now. Get out of here. This place is so freaking creepy. There's no way I'm gonna be able to park in the parking lots that are outside of this prison. I'm just gonna have to go on a street really close to it and kind of just camp there for the night. Because first off, I'm not getting a ticket, and they're like processing people in. I'm pretty sure right now. There's like a lot of vans going in. So I'm freaking nervous, dude. I'm so scared. Pretty sure that's a guard right there. Dude, oh my God. Do this nice and stealthy. I'm such a freaking idiot, dude. There's a car right there. But other than that, I'm just gonna wait till he goes by. And then get more stealthy. Okay, there he goes. Okay, we're here. And I'm scared. I don't know. It's just like when I was walking back, dude, I heard like people laughing. And I'm pretty sure that's the people inside the jail. I'm only 16, so I have a right to be scared. But I want to get set up for the night. I brought a little something. Brought a little fan for me. So I'm going to be sleeping good. But I think I'm going to try and go to bed. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Living the dream, man. Well, I have a little update here. It's supposed to thunderstorm in the morning. Okay, it's 4 a.m. and the rain has started. That's gonna be a big boom. Yep, so I'm gonna ride it out a little longer and then we'll get up. Been doing this for a long time, guys. I'm just gonna wait till it settles up. Holy crap. all in all, another day in the back of the truck, another day for the prison people off their sentence. And then, I don't know, it was not bad at all. Just don't go to prison. That's probably a good thing. But I'm gonna start heading home away from the prison. Let's get on the road. Get away from me. Where I live has been so freaking wet lately. But that will conclude today's episode of Byron's Bays YouTube channel. And if you like this episode, make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe, please. But anyway, if you guys have any ideas for me, let me know in the comments below. And that giveaway I said last video, we're gonna be extending that because that video didn't do too good, and I want more people to get a chance. So go back or go watch the last video to see what the giveaway is, and yeah, just comment on this video. Just say like 1 entry please, and I'll just put you in the thing that just indicates if you're a winner. But overall, pretty fun. But as always, I'll see you in the next one.